Welcome to this YouTube video. Today we are going to prepare a healthy drink using pineapple and cucumber. This fruit is very high in vitamin C and a great defense for cough and cold. Very good for the whole family. Do well to prepare it for the children and for adults. This helps in carbohydrate metabolism. Pineapple contains a high amount of beta-carotene, which can help prevent respiratory issues like asthma. Cucumber also relieves dehydration and keeps the body hydrated for a longer period. Cucumber also has 22% of your daily recommended value of vitamin K, which supports the formation of bones and tissues. At this point, we are done chopping our cucumber and pineapple. Set them into the blender. I'm going to add a glass of water into it and then take it out for blending. Now we are done blending our fruit. I'm going to sieve it. Do well to take this preparation any time of the day, be it in the morning, in the evening. Very good for kids. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to follow, subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.